Hello. Hey, we will be talking about the my money. Well, first we're going to talk about what happens when you burp too much.
Burn?
Uh-huh.
No.